Good afternoon everybody, hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we are doing another game of Amazon FBA Roulette, which is where we're going to open up some products and just do some weird stuff. So if you're interested in this sort of content, make sure you are subscribed with your notifications turned on. Let's get into the video straight away. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you are not. My name is Jonny Bradley, founder of the Seller Pro Academy, where we help ordinary people create extraordinary things, one product at a time. I'm joined here by Will Richards, owner and creator, founder of the founder of In a Nutshell. What do you do?
I do your ads, your images for Amazon, bits.
Technically, he does bits. Yeah, you do everything for me. So even buy stuff on Amazon and do the videos, which is cool. You don't get that from everyone, and I know that. So if you didn't see the last video, which you probably didn't, then what we're doing today is we have 3 products, and these are purchased from Amazon. I have no idea what these are at all. And the purpose of this is I asked Will to go onto Amazon and buy 3 products. One being like the bestseller, one being kind of sort of near the bestseller, and then one more being just like a wild card. Could be, you know, down the page, the second page, the third page, or just, you know, completely different product or completely different. And I'm going to open these and kind of judge them, look at their packaging, see if there's typos, and just, you know, see if I can figure out which is the bestseller, which is the kind of one underneath that, and which is the wild card. As you know, it's going to be helpful and informative for you guys, because when you open products, it's kind of a really important part in the customer journey. So we want to make sure that we get it right. Cool, so how much did we spend? So
my budget was £15 per product. This was actually requested by...
so on the last video, and you can do this on this video as well, if you want to give Will some ideas for next week's video, then helpful. Comment down below, because you know, he ain't got enough time to be thinking about stuff himself. So
I'm hoping you'll pronounce this right. Shukri M.
Shukri M. So thank you, Shukri M, for this recommendation. I don't know what that is. You could have given it away, because if I read the comment, which of course I read all the comments,
and remembered which one it was.
And remember which one it was, yeah. So I don't remember what it is. So,
but yeah, we only spent about £35 on all 3 this week.
Bargain. Bargain. All right, so should we open one up?
Yeah.
Okay, so I want to open up this one. This one right here. This looks like is this a Prime delivery?
It was Prime,
because it ain't in a box.
It wasn't in a box, and it took longer.
It could have been seller fulfilled Prime. So we'll open this. We'll open this one up. Okay, and we have. What on earth is this? Nice handheld fan. Is that a handheld fan?
It is, yeah.
It looks like a Dyson.
These would have been really useful, like Monday and Tuesday, because it was roasting.
2 days ago, this has been great. So thanks for coming over once it's now cooled down.
Yeah, no problem.
I really appreciate that. So, should we open all 3 and compare?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open all 3 and compare. Right.
Now, what was quite cool with these is they're all looking for the same keyword.
Okay, so what's the keyword?
The keyword is mini portable fan. I looked at portable fan first, but you'll get like the desk fans, and because we've got the £15 budget, I wanted a little handheld one.
Okay, yeah.
But they're all very different in design.
They're different sizes. Okay, so first impressions. Okay, first of all, if we can see this from above, this one obviously looks the most interesting because it's got a nice package. It's the only person that has, well, what I would say any sort of package. We should probably open this one as well. Let's open this one, because you never know. Okay. That looks... What is that? You sure it's not aftershave?
Yeah.
Or like a hip flask.
So this, yeah.
What the fuck? Okay, cool. So let's have a little look. Oh my god, a bladeless fan. This reminds me of a Dyson, like a Dyson hairdryer. In fact, I've got one of those in the other room, which my girlfriend uses. Last time when we did this, then we actually found typos. If we got the box from the last one, grab the box from over there, will you? I'll have a look at this. Yeah, so we didn't notice this, and I didn't do it on the video, but after we recorded the video from the last week, and we'll put a link to it, we found loads of typos on the boxes. So was it this one?
Yeah, make cat excite so much.
I'll put it under here so they can see. So make cat excite so much.
Was...
And we didn't realise this. We obviously recorded the video at the time, so I'm going to try and look through this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open these up, and then can you be the spell checker? Because I can't spell check to save my life.
Absolutely. Yeah, there were quite a few on here if I remember correctly. But
so this is interesting, right? So I'm not sure about you, but I'm drawn to this one because of the box, right? What about you?
Oh yeah, it's got to be that one, that one, that one.
Yeah, exactly. So I think boxes are really, and I think product packaging sometimes is undervalued, especially when people teach it online. They don't really put much focus into it. It's a huge thing. Like, it's a huge point of the customer's journey. The first time they open the box, and if it looks like quite boring, and I'm sorry if this is your product, if it looks quite boring, then it has a boring impact on the customer. So I don't know. That's how I feel about it. So I'm going to open these up, and we'll give them a test. Did we bring batteries?
We do have batteries.
Okay, alright. Okay, so, so we've got a little thing. Oh, it's got batteries! It's shit.
It's noisy.
It's noisy. So how does it... It's a USB though, look at that. That's pretty cool, it's rechargeable, I do like that. Plug it in. I'm going to open up this one while we do that.
Yes,
and you can have the box.
It's not great.
Oh, hang on a minute.
Hello.
Oh my god, you blew me away. Well, it's alright. That's okay.
Okay.
Bring it back into shot. Leave it here somewhere. We'll leave it there. So who likes this one? First of all, in the comments, we're going to call this product A. We'll call this Dyson. So who likes the Dyson fan? Let us know down in the comments. This is a bit more...
Traditional kind of...
It's traditional. Does that clip in? It does. Okay, this needs batteries.
Yeah.
What is that? Oh, okay, it's got a battery in it. Okay, good, we like that. Better.
Oh, yeah.
I prefer this one.
Has it got another one?
What?
Can it go again?
Ooh. Oh my god. No. So that's pretty good. So here you see what you think of that one.
Yeah.
And I'm going to open this one.
Oh, this one's better.
It's much better, yeah. What's that? What is that?
I don't know.
This is interesting. That's a piece of card.
What's in here?
I don't know.
Oh, is it scented?
Well, I can't smell it.
Oh, lemon, there we go.
I don't know
what's this one. That one's not got a flavour, this is lemon. Have a lemon one.
What?
That's better.
Ooh, cheeky. So what do we do with it? Hell is this?
Yeah.
Open what?
Open this. I would imagine can you pop that off?
No. Oh, you can. Yeah.
And to turn it on, you literally just lift it up.
No, there's a button here.
Yeah, okay. No, I'm different speeds.
So, I'm just going to put this out there. I'm.
You want one?
No, this is. I'm not a big fan of this one.
I'm not a big fan of this one.
Oh dear.
I'm a big fan of this one.
I mean, it's not very powerful, is it? That one's...
I could take off. Alright, technical difficulties, ran out of SD cardness, so we don't know what we got up to, but I was reading a poem. So on the bottom of this one just here, we have a poem. To see a world in a grain of sand, and a heaven in a wild flower, hold infinity in the palm of your hand, and eternity in an hour. I'm no poet, but I don't think they know it. I don't know. So I think this is just a whole product.
Nice.
Right, let's just get to the point. Let's have a look at some of this packaging, and then we'll put them in order of where we think they are. So this came with this one.
Is that the only? Is that USB as well?
Yes, it's got USB. So, have a little read of that while I analyse these. Okay, and also that one as well. Just want to have a little look at them. Cool.
Spelling mistake on this one.
Nice.
Work ting.
It's a work ting.
Yeah. Bit of attention to detail, mister.
Yes, a bit of attention to detail. I'm going to put these. I reckon this is kind of like a budget one. This looks like the most popular one. So this I think would actually be the bestseller. This one just here. Okay. I reckon this is going to be the next one down, and that has to be the wild card. Like that has to be, because just look at it.
Okay.
No one in their right mind is going to buy that.
So what I'm going to take, one of these is the top, one of these is number 2,
Right.
One of these is page 10.
Page. Wait, that's got to be page 10. Wasn't?
Now the thing is with the fans, even as you kind of go right through it, the reviews are still all pretty good. I think.
Are they?
The wildcard one, the review was actually something that came in a dirty box, but the rest of it was all pretty
Okay,
good.
dirty box. So it's not going to be this one because it already looks dirty. I don't know. Okay, so what do you think? Just before I announce it, before Will tells us and tells us all, do you think we have the right order here? So do we think this is the bestseller? This is the second bestseller?
I'm not telling you.
No, as in like, so it was the
We've
bestseller.
got the best, the second, and the
10th page.
10th page.
I think that's the most common. Okay, unless these people have just launched their product and they've just done a little product launch. I'm going with this. What do you guys think? Have we got this right or have we got it wrong? How would you change the order around? Would you put that as the bestseller? Oh, Crystal fan, the moment is eternal. Okay, final answer.
Yeah.
Do I get a chance to? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Put us out of our misery, please.
Okay. Right. The wild card is this one. No. This is the page 10. So the images on this, just lifestyle, really bad lighting, wasn't good at all.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and like say the pictures of the box, it came in a dirty box.
What?
Yeah. So then it leaves these two. That way around. This is the number 2 spot.
How?
And this, I think it's the poem.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, I think it's that poem. Pink's obviously the most popular, and then
there's
as you
different
get,
colours.
all different. So you could have a nice masculine black one, or
Yeah, I could do with the black one actually. Yeah, that would go well with my other useless objects I have around. You're not serious?
yeah.
No way. Are you sure it wasn't like a sponsored ad?
I'm sure it wasn't a sponsored ad.
Sure. I cannot believe that is the bestseller. Crystal fan, well done. Let's see their box again. Well, there we go, guys. I clearly have no idea what I'm talking about. Guys, if you want to get your hands on one of these Crystal fans, then comment down below saying that you're a big fan of Crystal fan. And I'll send it out to you because I probably won't keep this.
You sure?
Fair play for getting it to bestseller. Like I respect that a lot, but I can't believe people buy this. And that just goes to show that you really can make money with like anything on Amazon. Who would have thought it?
But it does come with a little lemon scent.
Oh, it does come with the lemon scent. Yeah. What did it come with? Another scent?
No, it just came with an empty.
Oh, there's a card.
Oh.
It's a lucky card as well. Lucky card. Or was that the way around? Lucky card. Please provide your 17-digit Amazon order ID and about picture of this card to the email address below. You're the bestseller. Well done. You have a interesting product that doesn't really work that well. But I like this. I think the moral of the story is for this video. I think personally, clearly, I have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about. You might as well unsubscribe right now. the YouTube channel is over, and I'm giving up. I'm getting a full-time job because that is throwing me sideways. And let's put that on there. So there we go. Unlike the video if you've already liked it, and delete your comment if you can, because clearly your time has been wasted here. No, if you have enjoyed that video and you want to get your hands on on this one here, then please comment down below and let Will know. He needs suggestions on what product to pick for next week. So this came from a suggestion from the comments. So comment down below with an idea of what we can get for next week, and then you'll buy them, do the same sort of thing. Hopefully it'll be interesting, hopefully it'll be funny.
What I would say, there was some really cool options in the comments last week, but I have just got £15 per product. That was the only thing holding me back with a lot of them.
I'm a cheap bastard.
He's a cheap. Yeah,
I'm a cheap motherfucker. Only 15, because otherwise I'll end up spending like way too much money, and for most of it not to be used. So there we go, guys. If you have enjoyed that video, please do subscribe, like it, comment it, give Will some suggestions, because he's got a hard enough time working for me anyway. As always, make sure you are subscribed with your notifications turned on. What do I normally say? Oh no, I've got a new thing this time. I've stopped doing my old thing.
Okay.
It's force a habit. Remember, you're just one product away. You do.
Remember, you're just one product away.
That was fantastic. Congratulations.